Let's make a very low budget suya rice together while I share a story from one of my followers. This year, I met a guy around me. Let's call him Tunde. Before he asked me out, we were just friends, and during our friendship, I told him my experience with many guys. I even told him about my ex, that I was with my ex not knowing that he was married with kids. And after I promised myself that I can't date a married man, not knowing this man was married. And when I discovered, I ended things with him. I never knew he was married and his family was in Lagos while he was in Abeokuta. I told him about how hot I was because I slept together with this man twice. So when Tunde tried asking me out, I just told him that if you have someone you are dating or you even have someone you're married to, please tell me. And he said no. So he asked me out and we started dating. When we started dating, I found out that my married ex was one of Tunde's friend, but not very close, but they know each other. I saw his pictures on his phone and I asked him about it and told Tunde that he is the ex I told him about. He said he doesn't know the guy like that, and that is no problem. A kind of girl with an open mind, I easily fall in love, and I'm very open, and if I am hot about something, I will tell him immediately. So I asked Tunde if he wants to end the relationship since the guy is his friend. He said no, that he cannot and it's not necessary. But later on, this guy started giving me attitude. He said he doesn't think that we can marry again, that he is now back with his ex-girlfriend. I was surprised and I asked him, why didn't he tell me all this before? He then said I should just forget about it, that he is joking. He just wanted to hear what I would say. I actually did let it go and we continued dating. Last month, I discovered that I was pregnant for him and I told him, and immediately he threatened me to get rid of it. Oh my guys, our time just finished. Just like this video and follow me. Make you no miss part 2.
Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all. If you like my contents, please do well to engage and subscribe, and tell me the next content you want me to talk about or create. I love you all.